Jam on Toast Productions.
No cars coming in, so what's the point?
I'm going to record over it.
We're not actually getting sponsored, which is a shame. Oh well. We can hold it up to the aeroplane! Well, they can actually see it. Wait, don't they have double vision?
Car, there's a car coming,
Yay! There's a car coming! I love when it happens like when the guy who I would like would have like...
There's two coming in, let's see.
And I kind of laugh if I had a gag in it, but then we'd have to run off. They probably think we're hitchhikers.
Oh, forget you! You suck!
They laugh and they hurt you.
Okay, another car.
What we need to do is kind of do that, but that's kind of instructing the driver.
Please honk, 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 honk. Screw you! You loser! Okay. Okay.
I love this old woman like showing attention up. That would not go down well. Probably too busy.
This is not fair. Why is nobody honking? Seriously, this is going on YouTube.
What?
This is going on YouTube and nobody's honking. They're not nice.
Get in your car.
All proceeds will go to charity.
Can you get someone in that car, please? I know, if I had a car. Can you get someone in that car, please?
I will, there's someone coming.
Oh, wait. Yay, they're hopefully facing me this time. Oh, they put their hands up. That's about the same thing.
Screw you.
They put their hands up.
Well, you're better than most. They're better than most, but still, screw you.
A motorbike, they have like less yielding, I guess.
Come on, car.
Do motorbikes even have force?
Car.
I know.
Come on, car.
You gotta put the thing on the bed back. I'm gonna honk for a minute. Honk!
Oh, you suck. Why is nobody honking? It's not fair. It's so mean. It's red nose.
Honk for Red Nose Day.
Say how honk for Red Nose Day.
You could have got your thing.
Pedestrians are so much nicer than drivers.
I know. Actually, I wouldn't say that because I've been hard.
My dad's a driver, it's fine.
Cars! Everywhere! Even Disney! You own a film called Cars!
Honk, come on!
Oh, it's like a ghost town!
Ghost.
Ooh, car! That is a red car, even better!
Yes! Red nose day, for Red Nose Day, you better honk. Because
You got a red car, you better honk! Wait, is there any driver in this car?
Oh, let's turn left.
Come on!
Oh, there's flag.
Run!
Well, there's no point.
Oh, come on, he's got a driveway, or she's got a driveway.
Come on, black car, come this way. Come on, I'm getting cold here. Hurry up! Come over here and honk. Oh crap, the window's open.
Wait, isn't this?
The window's open.
Oh, yeah.
It's a car coming.
We're in those things. Oh, it's crap, it's just small.
It's fine, I can edit it out. Come on, please honk. Honk. Oh, he smiled!
Yay! It's not much
Honk, 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 honk.
Honk! Honk!
Oh, they smiled as well. Ah, so beautiful. Ah, they didn't smile. They losers.
You're rude! Honk! Honk!
Yeah!
Whoa!
Yes! We got honk!
We love your red car! We do! We love your red car!
We do! We love you, red car! We do! Oh, red car, we love you! Okay, that's enough of that.